Get ready and start. As noted above, wide notification dated 8th November 2016, neither the possession nor deposit of demonetized currency in one's own account was an offense, much less a scheduled offense to further, even as per the provisions of specified bank notes Cessation of Liabilities Act 2017 only provides for penalty for possession, transferring of demonetized currency notes after the appointed date stop. Further, the claim of the prosecution that the money was deposited in fictitious accounts is also not falsified as the accounts were in operation earlier and had not been opened on 8th November 2016 or thereafter and were in the name of persons or firms which existed. Stop. At this stage, this court would refrain from making any observation as to whether the deposit of demonetized currency in the accounts of other persons would amount to an offense of cheating or not, lest it may prejudice the parties at the stage of arguments on charge stop. Further, even as per the prosecution, though the initial claim was that demand drafts were prepared in fictitious names, however, it was on investigation revealed that they were prepared in the first names of the employees of Rohit Tandon store. However, as held by the Supreme Court, the matter in which the money was rooted amounted to criminal activity connected with the proceeds of the crime, including its concealment, possession, acquisition, use, and projecting, claiming it as unattained property stored. When the earlier bail application was filed by the petitioner Rohit Tandon, the same was dismissed by the learned additional sessions judge, following by the dismissal by this court, which order was taken up in appeal before the Honorable Supreme Court, which also dismissed the bail applications on 10th November 2017. Stop. The Honorable Supreme Court, noting the decision reported as 2016 stop. Government of India held that the scope of Section 45 PMLA was no more res judicata, and that the court at the stage of considering the application for grant of bail shall consider the question from the angle as to whether the accused was possessed with the requisite mens rea stop. Further, the court was not required to record a positive finding that the accused had not committed an offence under the act. Stop. The court ought to maintain a delicate balance between a judgment or acquittal and conviction, and an order granting bail much before commencement of trial. Stop. The duty of the court at this stage is to not to weigh the evidence meticulously, but to arrive at a finding on the basis of bold probabilities. Stop. Thus, keeping in mind the dictum in the decision as noted, the Honorable Supreme Court upheld the opinion recorded by the Sessions Court and the High Court. Stop. After the rejection of the bail application of the petitioner Rohit Tandon on 10th November 2017, Honorable Supreme Court in the decision reported as stop.